Feel blue means to feel sad. Be out to lunch means to be mad or crazy. No clue means I have no idea. Hot potato means a difficult situation or an issue. I feel you means I understand you. It's a piece of cake means it is easy. Bad egg means a bad, unreliable, or dishonest person. Use your noodle means use your brain. Can't complain means I'm just okay. Egg someone on means urge someone to do something. Fill me in means give me details. Be full of beans means to have a lot of energy. Carrot top means a person with red hair. The cream of the crop means the best. Keep me posted means keep me updated. In a nutshell means simply. Spice things up means to make things more interesting. That hits the spot means exactly what I need. Spill the beans means to divulge, to let others know. Let's get together means let's meet. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more daily lessons and contents. Okay, that's it for today's video, guys. Remember to like this video and to subscribe to my channel for daily lessons and contents. These are also my prior contents which you can watch. See you with another video tomorrow.